Alright, I've done some grinding on it. Got these welds ground down a bit here and here, and pretty much cleaned it up. I added some end caps here, ground them down. I should have sanded these, maybe I will before I paint them. It's a little rough finish. I ground these down a bit. Again, it needs some sanding, but there it is, the nut masher. Works pretty good. I've already used it some. Oh, I forgot to add I added the clamp. It was just a C-clamp on here, and I decided to weld it on. The funny thing about this is I put it on the wrong side. I wanted this anvil to be facing this way, and I didn't think about it. And put it on this way. It doesn't really matter. But, oh, and when I made this, these are angle cut. This is the first angle cut I've done with my bandsaw, metal cut up bandsaw. So I didn't have to cap these. I just welded them in at an angle with my, used my 90-degree magnetic braces when I welded it. And here's my little, I decided to put, this is thin wall tubing. It's not even, maybe 11 gauge. And I welded a nut on each side here. And then I just took a bolt and, actually this is a carriage bolt. And wasn't quite long enough to meet the thing. That's alright. I just took a couple things of walnut here, and these are scrap. It's not good use for walnut. But, and I just bent this handle over, and there it is. It makes a nice little clamp. Nice and sturdy. Moves the table. So all I gotta do now is a little cleanup, sand it, get some paint on there, put that end cap on too. And pretty good for a welding project. I learned a lot. Made a lot of mistakes. But I believe my welds improved. And so that's about it. Gonna find another project. Any ideas, let me know.